Hi. Okay, so look, come here. I have a surprise for you.
What?
You ready?
Yes.
You sure? Look at me. Come here. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay. Not in here. In Riker's room. Come on. Baby brother's room. Go look. What's that?
It's Gus.
Gus. Isn't that cool?
Wait a second. It has a garbage truck.
Yeah, so pretty special toy
Let's open it.
because Tristan loves, who's this?
It's Ryan.
Ryan. He's always watching Ryan. And today at this store, Tristan was asking for Gus by name. Right, Tristan? You wanted Gus?
Let's open it.
So it's very first ever Ryan's World toy. So we're gonna see how it is. Let's
We
have
need
a look.
scissors.
We need scissors?
Yes.
Let's see. Let's try and open it. Open. I think we can pull these. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're gonna play with Ryan's toy
Yes.
and Gus. You gonna help me open it?
Sure.
Sure.
It's still stuck.
Yeah. All right, we got the toy out. Here you go.
Whoa. Look, it's inside.
Let me see. Yeah, you can put stuff inside there. So this is a recycle truck.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can put that over here.
We can put trash in. Okay, let's put trash. Let's put trash. Let's play with the trash. You drive it.
Okay.
And Gus drive it.
Gus is gonna drive.
There you
There
go.
you go. Oh, I lost a little paper. Oh, here it is. Yes, so we can put this over here. Right here.
On the front.
On the skinny part, the bottom part. Like this. Okay. And we pull this. You see?
Yes.
Well, it's too full, so it's not falling. Let's try it with these ones that you can put these in there. Oh, in here. Put that in here, Tristan. Let's see if it fits. Does it fit?
No.
No?
It goes right here.
It does. You figure it out all by yourself. Kids are so smart.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Oh, this is what this is for. You ready? Ah! Over there. You pull this yellow lever. That's what this is for.
Oh,
Okay, let's do it again.
that's mine.
Yeah. But you have to, don't stand in front because it's going to hit you like that. You have two. Let's do, pull that one. Stand over here on the other side. Stand behind it. Behind it over here. Now you can pull it so it doesn't hit you. Whoa!
Look at that one. Oh, whoop. I did get the bag up. And try it again. I
Woohoo!
got it.
You got it.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit.
Let's try this one.
That's even bigger.
Look, it's half apart.
That's what?
It's half in forward. This,
Mm-hmm.
this, and this one.
Yeah.
You want to play with me?
Yeah, I'm right here, bro.
Okay.
This is Gus's recycle truck. Recycle truck.
You play with this.
Okay.
You have to get these.
I have to get these. Okay, so I just push this around.
Yes.
And what are you going to do?
I guess show you how it drew.
How it drove?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, so I put this in the front.
Yes.
Right here.
Yes.
Right here. Okay. Okay.
Now
what's
you
this?
sew it.
I shoot it.
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Set. Let's see how far it goes. Go. Whoa, that's so far.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, now it's Tristan's turn.
Whoop.
Ready? Oh, set, go.
Okay. Now we drive this.
Okay.
We drive this.
Uh-huh. Ooh, it's a recycle can. You know what goes in here?
Yes.
What?
A trash can.
It's a trash can, but this trash can is special.
Yes.
It's for stuff that you can use again, like glass
Mhm.
and cardboard
Mhm.
and some paper.
I just do it again.
Yeah, you did.
Squeeze.
And some plastic too, a lot of plastic you can recycle, right? So we can use it again. And it's not just all trash, and it's better for the planet like that, right, Tristan?
Yes.
Yes.
You
Ooh.
want to play with me?
Okay, my turn?
Mhm. You drive it.
Oh, I drive it. Okay.
Is a wheel.
Reverse.
You need this.
Hmm. He's going in the bag? He's not trash.
No, he's game.
He's what?
He's game.
Game? He's playing a game? Don't get him stuck.
There you go. Pressed.
How do you like this toy?
Yes.
Yes.
You want to play with me?
Yeah, I'm right here. He took it away. You like it, Tristan?
Yes.
A lot or a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit? Not a lot?
No.
No? Why not? You love Ryan. You love Ryan?
Yes.
You watch Ryan every day.
Yes.
Yes. What's your favorite Ryan cartoon or episode? Huh?
I like Red Titan.
You like what?
I like Red Titan.
Red Titan?
What's
Is that what
another
you
one?
said? Where's the other one? It's already lost. Let's look in here. There's one here. It's lost already? Oh, there it is. The other one is inside there.
Right here.
Yeah, there they are.
You want to play with me?
Yeah, I'm right here. Why do you like Ryan so much?
I don't know.
You don't... Is he funny, Tristan?
Yes.
Is he fun?
Yes.
Does he make you laugh?
Yes.
Yeah, you're always laughing to his shows.
Yes.
You want to be like Ryan?
No.
No?
I want Tristan.
Yeah, you're Tristan. That's right.
And you, mommy.
I'm mommy. Yeah, I'm your
You're
mommy.
not Ryan.
No, I'm not Ryan.
I'm not Ryan too.
No, you're not Ryan either. You are Tristan.
You're right.
Oh my god, you're so funny. Okay, what else? That's a cool track.
Where is it?
You lost it again?
Yes. I was always.
There it is.
It's just right. Okay. Again.
Is it my turn now? I want to shoot it. Thank you. Can I put it in there?
Where it's lost?
Huh?
It's lost.
It's not lost. It's right. Where is it? Here.
Okay, let me show you how to shoot.
Okay, show me. Because I don't know how.
You twist this yellow thing
Okay,
and
like that.
you blast it.
I what?
You blast it.
You brush it?
No, you blast it.
Oh, you blast it. Okay. Let's blast it. Ready, set, go.
You have to switch this.
Switch this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
You have to switch this.
Okay. Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Switch this. Switch this back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You count.
1, 2, 3, go! Now it's my turn.
Okay.
Whoop.
Whoa.
Now it's your
That one
turn.
rolled.
Now it's your turn.
Okay. Where's the... Where is it?
It's in there.
This is stuck. There it is.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. You want to beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
You can eat the coin, Gus. Boop.
Swooshers.
Let's go.
One, two, three, go! Okay, now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn.
You gotta eat the corn, Gus. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
You wanna play with me?
Oh, I know.
What?
Let's put this plastic in the front. See if we can hit it with a coin. Okay?
Okay. Both of us.
Both of us, yes. We can take turns. Oh, or these that came with the package. These. Okay. Don't move this. Okay, now let's see. No, you're not supposed to move it from right here. Did you hit it? I didn't see. Okay, try it again. From here. Okay, now pull it. Wait. Okay. You got it! Did you see? You got it.
Backward.
Backwards?
Oh.
You got it again!
Oh. It's supposed to be up here.
It's supposed to be up there?
Yeah. Oh. You're supposed to move it.
Well, you can try that now. Try to move it now.
I got it. Uh-oh. Can I? Oh, I have an idea.
Okay, what is it?
I have a question to you.
You have a question for me? What is it?
Maybe a Gus?
Maybe Gus.
Yes.
What about Gus?
These shooties?
He's gonna shoot those?
Yes.
Okay.
Both of us.
Both of us?
Yes.
Okay. That sounds like a good idea. We're gonna take turns?
Yes. You see this?
Yeah,
This is Gus.
that's Gus. There's more toys here to collect. Brian's World.
If we're to go in there.
Mm-hmm.
You see this works?
Huh?
Both of us.
Both of us. Okay.
Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. I want some yummies. Look, we can move her head.
Let me see. Oh, all the way around?
Yes, we can move her head.
I think he's a boy. His head.
And you have a helmet.
A helmet. What else?
And whee! And the garbage truck. We go, we go, we go.
Like an orange vest, right?
No, it's not orange vest.
What is it?
It's yellow vest.
Yellow vest? Well, it has yellow suspenders, but this is orange. And his belly's yellow. You see his belly? Right here.
And it's all green.
All green. Like your shirt and your pants. You guys are matching.
Look. It's hot.
A hat?
Look. And it's yellow too.
Yeah, it's yellow too. Like the wheels here. Yellow. And the truck is also green. Oh, look, there's a little Gus in the back. With the recycle sign on his belly. You see? It's arrows that kind of form a triangle.
I see Gus.
Yeah, that's Gus.
And
That's the recycle sign.
he opens.
It opens.
Look. That's the inside.
Yeah.
Oh. It's time. We can put Gus. Or we can put Gus in there. Where's Gus?
Where's Gus? I
I
hear
am
something.
there.
He's in there.
I am there.
Let's see.
Look, I see
There's
eyeballs.
Gus.
Let me out. Look. Needs to check something.
Okay.
Put these in there. Okay. Gus.
Gus is flying. Whoa.
Sean! Where's Gus? Where's Gus?
Where's Gus?
I am there. I am
You're
there.
in there. Maybe he needs help getting out. Okay, well, we're gonna end this video while you help Gus getting out, okay? You can keep playing. Let's say bye.
Ah. Bye.
Say bye, Ryan.
Bye.
No, Ryan?
Bye.
Wanna wave?
What's it?
Tristan,
Yes. Bye.
wanna wave?